Hello from the village boy. Today I'm at Henry Palmasino Park, Nature Park, right on Hallstatt and West 27th Street. As you can see, it's a beautiful place. The grass is dry. People are running, walking, exercising, and you wonder, how can people do this in the winter? Well, today is a beautiful sunny day, and being sunny, many people are out to walk or exercise because the sun makes it easier that you don't feel like being cold. I am by a small dam right here. As you can see, the cooler breeze is making it cold now, and there are ducks right here that some people are feeding them. And as you take the walk, and the closer you get to the water, the cooler you feel with the breeze of the wind. I want you to just enjoy watching this. Well, why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video because I want to share with you people who might live in a warmer weather, planning to immigrate to the US, and is wondering, can I be outside in the winter and do anything? Or how does life looks like in the winter being outside? Like I said, the key to surviving winter is to dress up warm. Have your winter jacket, your winter pants, gloves, hat, scarves, and when you are dressed up like that and warm, you can come outside and take walks. Or you can come outside if you are dressed appropriately and exercise, run, play at the park, or enjoy a walk, seeing nature or seeing things in the city. One thing you have to be mindful for is in the winter, when it's cold outside and you are walking, be mindful that when the wind is blowing against you, it could be very, very cold. And your hands, your whole body can start freezing. So, during the winter, if it's windy outside and you are going out, just be prepared. That is going to be more colder than what you will normally feel, because the wind makes it more cold. You can't be outside during the winter and have a life. Also, I want to remind you that during the winter, you can go outside as normal and do things that you want to do. Like in this park, people are walking, people are exercising, and people are just here to listen to the sound of bird or whatever they came here for. Sound of the wind blowing the grass is very good. Very good. The village boy is strolling through this park and enjoying it. Even though I don't like the cold, because I grew up in Africa where it's always warmer, the cold is a struggle. And that's one thing. No matter where you are coming from, especially those of you who will be coming from warmer countries, and you will be living in a place like Chicago, Detroit, Grand Rapids, Kansas City, or those of you who will be immigrating US from warmer countries, be prepared that when you come here, 6 months of the year it's going to be cold. During those 6 months, you have to dress appropriately to fit for the cold weather, so you can survive and live. No matter how hard, no matter how you dressed and you live through these winters, part of you will always never adjust to it completely. Part of you will never fully grasp the winter and appreciate it. You're gonna feel miserable. You're going to be longing to go back home. You're going to be struggling every day. But guess what? Your attitude is the one determining factor that will help you. So, when you come to the US and you find yourself living in a Midwest, or find yourself living in a place where they have winter, just relax and embrace it. And once you embrace it, make sure you have the proper gear to wear. And when you have your proper gear and you wear them, you will have no issue. But instead, Some of you will enjoy the winter and you will find it more convenient. But some of you, like I said, will struggle, and no matter how long you live in this country, you will never ever be adapted to this winter. So, I want you to enjoy life where you are. And remember, if you ever set your foot to the US, make sure you get all your winter gear if you live in the Midwest, and be on the lookout for the winter from mid-November to end of April. I'm gonna leave you with like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next informative video. The Village Boy. Ooh, bye.